Hey friends, how are you? I hope you're having a great day today. Today we will be creating a bee, so let's get started. The first thing that you'll want to do is make a circle. That is going to be our bee's head. The next thing that we're going to do is make a body. I'm going to make the body of my bee a little bit diagonal, meaning going to the side a little. You can make yours straight up and down if you'd like, but I'm going to make mine a little bit to the side. So we come out and we go in, we come out and we go in, and this is going to be the stinger of our bee. Now we're going to go back up to his face, and let's add some eyes and a cute little smile. Let's add some antenna. And then I always like to add some stripes for our bee. That way, when we're coloring or we're painting our bee, we can paint it black and yellow, black and yellow. So black, yellow, black, yellow, black, yellow, black. Let's put a few little legs, 3 on each side, and then some wings. So we're going to start our wings. It's like a backwards letter C, and then a forwards letter C. These are pretty big. And then our bottom wings are just a little bit smaller. Pretty much the same shape. How cute is that? So what we can do in the background for this is we can just put some really giant flowers, because bees love flowers. They love to be in the garden. Did you see how this flower went off of the page? That's okay, that happens all the time with artists. You just have to pretend like it continues off of the page and then bring your marker back around like that. It actually looks kind of cool. Okay, maybe I'll put a smaller one here. There we go. I think what I'm going to do is I'm just going to finish this drawing and put these daisies all around, because I'm really liking how this looks. I'm going to speed up this video and I'll be back in just a second. Alrighty friends, there we go. We have a bee in a garden and he looks pretty happy to be there. I hope you enjoyed this lesson. I'll see you next time. Bye.